Okay, this is a quick tutorial on the Hello program in assembly for our assembly class. And I want to play with the Hello program that we saw briefly in class to show you little tricks that will be helpful for homework 2. So what you should do first is you may want to get a copy of my Hello program, which is called hello.asm. So if you've set up your 231 account, Linux account, as was illustrated in the lab we did last week, then you should be able to do get copy hello.asm because I have created such a program. Press enter and you'll have that program in your account. So I already have it, so I don't need to do this. So I'm going to type Control-C to kill my command. What I'm going to do instead, I'm going to copy hello.asm to homework22.asm. So now I've copied this file under this name, so this is the file I'm going to be working with. Emacs homework22.asm. Okay, so here is my my program, and I'm not going to touch. Actually, what I like is to have constants in uppercase because one is a variable, the other one is a constant. So this hello len will be equal to the number of characters in my string, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 characters in my string. That includes the last two line feed characters. And that's what hello length will be equal to 14 automatically. To print, we saw that what you need to do is this group of 5 lines. So 4 in EAX, 1 in EBX, the address of the string in ECX, the number of characters, and I'm going to print. I'm going to print this. And remember, in Emacs, you cannot really use the mouse. You have to move your cursor with the arrows. All right, so arrow length and int 0x80. That's to print. If you want to print a string, you have to repeat these 5 lines. You want to print another string, you have to repeat that same group of 5 lines for the other string. So let's play with that. I'm going to -f of homework2.asm. So that's the assembly pass. I have to link ld -mf. You will learn these commands by heart very quickly. So homework2.o means that's the object file. That's what is generated by NASM. And I want to output -o into an executable. That's going to be my program. You can think of it as an app. And now I can run it here. So // means in the current directory, I want to run homework2_2. And it says hello world. And the first line feed takes the cursor to the next line, and the second line feed to the next line. I end up with a blank line, and that's my prompt. So that's what I will refer to as the prompt. All right. Let's play with that. So little shortcut, I can use the arrow key when I'm at the prompt to bring back commands that I've typed previously. Okay, Emacs. So we said we had 14 characters. Is that true? If I replace this by 14, will it still work? Well, it should. And let's verify that that program works exactly the same way now. Use the constant 14 rather than computing the length. Control-X, Control-C. Yes, I want to change. So with the arrow key, I'm going to NASM, I'm going to link, and I'm going to run. All right, works the same. Let's now change a few things. So instead of 14 characters, what would happen if I printed only 5? So now I'm saying the length of my string is 5. I can do that. And I'm going to, therefore, when hello length is passed here in these 5 lines, it will say print hello 5 characters only, because hello length has now been equated to the number 5. Control-X, Control-C, S, NASM, LD, run, and you see this hello here appearing is the 5 characters that I had specified. So I can specify a substring or a shorter version starting at the beginning by just changing that, and I can change it the way that I've done. So let's go back to Emacs. All right. So now 5 characters. So I could also have said 5 here. I want to show you that, or maybe let's do it differently. I'm going to do 7. So now my constant hello length is not used anymore. I can put some semicolons in front of it, and now it has become, it's in red, it's a comment. So this doesn't belong to the program anymore. I'm using the number 7 here, and let's see what happens. NASM, link, 1. So now I see that hello W is printed, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters. So I can also put the number of characters to print directly inside these 5 lines. All right. Control C to kind of clean this up. I'm going to clear. Let's go back to Emacs. Okay, something else I could do is that instead of doing print hello, I could say print hello plus, let's see, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6. If I say hello plus 6, I'm saying that's the address of not H, but the address of H 6 bytes away. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. That's the address of the W in hello. So hello plus 6 becomes the address of W, and if I want to print 7, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So can we guess what it's going to print if I say print 7 characters starting at hello plus 6? Let's save that. Control X, Control C, yes. Bring back the NASM, bring back the LD, and then run it. You ready? Then world, and now you see that the prompt doesn't continue after world because I have a line feed that brought the cursor down here, and so my prompt now starts after world. All right, so that's all I really wanted to show you. I think just knowing that will make homework really easier. Good luck.